Nearpod is an instructional platform that merges formative and dynamic media for collaborative learning experiences. Nearpod assists teachers in setting up lessons with assessments, activities, media, and collaboration all in one place. My lesson today goes over understanding shapes and naming them. It focuses on the 4th grade standard that says classify two-dimensional figures based on the presence or absence of parallel or perpendicular lines, or the presence or absence of angles of a specified size. With that being said, I have created the I can statement that says I can classify two-dimensional figures based on parallel or perpendicular lines, angle size, and sides. The next slide is a video that has a song to just get the kids up and playing and just up and moving. Then the next few slides just go over some information about shapes, and I included a chart that has shapes and the definitions of those shapes with pictures for more visual learners so that they can see what the actual shape looks like. Then a few slides later, I created my first interactive slide. This is an open-ended question that you can either type the answer or record your answer. I did this to make it more accessible and give the students an option based on their personal preference. As we continue, we go on talking about quadrilaterals. And then after talking about quadrilaterals, I think this is one of my favorite interactive slides I added because it allows the students to draw a shape that fits the description of a quadrilateral. So the last slide went over quadrilaterals, and I think this is great because it allows them to draw, which every kid loves, and it also gives the teacher insight on if they actually understand what a quadrilateral is based on what shape they drew. Then lastly, I created a matching game to make sure that the teacher knows they understand sides and they can classify a specific shape using their attributes.